Welcome to the Copeland Mobile video series. This video will cover the troubleshooting functionality. To benefit from this video, you must have downloaded the Copeland Mobile App to your cell phone. If not, you need to visit your app store, enter Copeland Mobile in the search engine, select Copeland Mobile, then download Copeland Mobile to your cell phone or view the Copeland Mobile App download video below. Let's get started. Scan or enter a compressor serial, model, or part number. The scanning function requires your phone to have an active camera. If you type in a number, note the drop-down menu has several numbers to select from. Select on the affected model number. Next, select the application. Then, select Troubleshooting from the drop-down list. Select from the list the issue with your compressor. We will select compressor not running for this video. Follow the steps and select what your compressor is experiencing. Once you complete all the steps, then select Submit. Next, read the recommendations on the solution screen to help resolve your issue. You have the option to rate the troubleshooting service by selecting 1 through 5 stars and add a comment. Then select Submit. If applicable, share the recommendations, contact a Copeland specialist, or tap back to return to input new information. If problem requires a new compressor or components, use the Where to Buy function to contact a wholesaler. Select your model or part number. Select your zip code. Tap Find Wholesaler. You have the option to view the wholesaler stock by tapping on In Stock. Contact your preferred wholesaler by tapping the telephone number to place the call. Always call your wholesaler before driving to pick up parts. You have the option to contact a Copeland technical specialist by tapping the box labeled Support. Select CTS, enter your zip code, select a wholesaler and tap the telephone number. Thank you for viewing this video. Please click like and subscribe to the Copeland Mobile video series.